Okay, this is where we are now. This is the former laundry room slash kitchen area. Ceiling's out. I painted that. He's gonna put a closet there. This wall, well, first the cabinets are out.
Yep.
And the wall behind it, which was just kind of like wood paneling.
Leaning. It was leaning up on the block.
It was all just, yeah.
Yeah.
So, looking pretty gnarly.
Yep. So there was some water damage here in the past that got into the sheetrock. So I got to take the sheetrock out back to the stud.
Yeah.
Which will
This
save
is
us.
the canning room over there.
Yeah.
And this was pretty gross. So, Garrett's making sure that he's not going to hit a wire.
Which I'm not. So here goes some noise.
Okay. Well, wait a minute. Let me wrap this up. So you don't need me for anything or
No.
whatever.
After this, I'm gonna.
Let's
I
go
could
get
use
some
you
pizza
down.
and beer.
I could use you down unloading everything.
Oh, okay.
That's the next step.
Sure, you're not going to hit any electrical.
I'm sure.
Okay. All right.